how to record a Loom video and share it. So to record a Loom video, firstly open up Loom, so launch it. So you can click on the Loom icon in your browser, so let me do that, or if you have the desktop app installed, you can just open it. So open up Loom, and then once you are on the Loom here, so I'm in my Loom here, so what we're going to do, we're going to start recording. So to do that, what we're going to do, you have here, so you're going to choose what you want to record. So you want to record a full screen, okay, or you want to record the window or just the camera only. So choose what you want to record. So for example, I will just put full screen, and you can choose the camera if you want to. I don't need a camera, so I will just off it, that's fine. And the microphone, yes, I want the microphone to turn on, so I can do that. And then once everything is done, so what you have to do is simply click on start recording. So click on start recording. So for example here, click on the start recording, and then now you got to select the recording area, whether you want the entire screen or a specific window or a browser. So you got to choose that, okay. So once that's done, so here for example, I will just choose entire screen, hit on share, and then that's it. A countdown will start and your recording will be started. Alright, so now I have already completed recording, so click stop. Once you have finished your recording, you can just pause or stop it. So once you have stopped the recording here, what will happen is Loom will automatically open the video in a new tab. So just like here, it will open it in a new tab. So now to share this, what we're going to do, once the video loads here, so Loom will generate a shareable link instantly. So for example here, if we click on this link option here, so that's the shareable link created by Loom. So you can simply click on that link to copy it to your clipboard, and now to share this video, you can simply paste the link in an email, in a chat, in a document, or in any other platforms, and share it with whoever you want. You can just share it with others, and that's how you can share these Loom video once you have recorded it. It's pretty easy and a straightforward process. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.